seni kuyunun içine atalım.
So let me throw you down there.
Sesli girmeyin.
So she's saying this is the refrigerator system for back in the day. Wow.
Evet.
You could tell this is definitely very cold. And you could tell I'm 6'1", and you got enough clearance here. And I'm not even at the deepest point. I'm not even there at the deepest point. There's my smoke. That's how cold it is here. Watch. Watch the camera. Alright, let's go up. And this is, and there's another part right there. I mean, this is easily 1,000 square footage of space. Vallahi bravo.
Güzel seyir yapmışlar.
Evet. Saying not many people come here to see this anymore.
Yani hiç kimse bakmıyorlar.
Not many people take care of this place. They nicknamed it Yalnız Kız, only girl,
Buranın
alone girl.
hani
So at the peak time of this city right here, the top person in command was a lady. That's what they nicknamed the place. Only girl. She was the only one. The rest of them were all males.